How to fix Facebook page not showing error. If you're facing this error, then the first thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Then you want to find the option of connection, tap on that. Now select Wi-Fi. Here you want to check if your internet connection is working. If it is not working, you want to switch with data and then check. Next, you want to head back, scroll down and select software update. If there is any update available over here, you simply want to update that. Now, check if your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you simply want to restart your device. After restart, launch open Facebook and check if the problem is solved. If it's still not solved, then what you want to do is launch open Facebook and then simply log out of your account. Once you have logged out, you again want to log back in. You can also update the application to the latest version. For that, go ahead and launch open Play Store, then search for Facebook. If you find the update option over here, simply tap on the update option and then update that. After updating, log into your account again and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.